So what are you making today, babe?
We're making a jalapeno cheddar cheese bowl with cilantro. It's gonna be yummy. And I like
It's a 16-inch fan. You don't mind that. We're in a temperature switcher. You keep wiping the cheese.
Yeah, you're just sweating on everything. The whole floor, I can't step up and
Hey, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that.
find the seam. No! There we go. It came out very clean. But I do kind of like to scrape the... That's cream cheese.
Cream cheese ain't cheap.
Not lately. I think I didn't garbage one. Normally I don't do that, but I just wanted it off so I can cut it.
That's why you take the seeds out.
In a cheese ball?
That's the best part.
No. I don't want to taste seed in my cheese ball. And they're really hot too.
That's why I like them.
I mean, if you want an extra spiciness, leave the seeds in, but my husband's gonna get what he gets. Gotta get all the seeds out. They're hiding in there. No. Those are good. I don't think we need this anymore. Not trying to chop off fingers. Ooh, I can smell the jalapenos. Those are, my husband will say they're not strong. They are to me. That was a really big jalapeno. Now, if you're using a smaller one, I'd say 2. Okay. So we're going to just get a little of cilantro here. I'm just going to do it like this. I mean, some people like try to take the stems off, but honestly, I think it adds flavor. I just kind of go around all that. And then when I start wanting to get into all of this, I save it for another recipe that I want to get that all out. I think that's good. Yeah, that's good. I'm just going to mince it a little bit. Plus it breaks up the oils when you do this. Yeah, it adds more flavor. Can you smell it, babe?
I sure can.
always follow my recipes. I'm a garlic girl. I love it. Plus, it's very healthy for you. But I don't want to over garlic, so we're just going to do about 2 cloves. Oops. And salt. Look, babe.
Mm-hmm.
Goes in.
I know. Guess I have trouble getting in.
Shut up. That's good. These are coming out in kind of big kernels. It's gonna get a lot of flavor. A lot of pepper flavor. I miss cheese. Okay, now we're gonna mix it. Look how nicely that just runs.
Just trying to get rid of all the white spots. That smells delicious.
But I only use 1 cream cheese. Wow, we found, because cream cheese is very expensive, we found if you load it with stuff, you don't have to, you use 1 cream cheese. So now we're going to put it in here.
Why use parchment paper versus?
Well, it's because I buy parchment paper, and it actually, I think it works better. Saran wrap's good, but it can stick really bad. I've never really had it stick to this. If you chill it, you have to chill it.
Well, it's easier to scrape off parchment paper.
Well, yeah, because, what is it, silicone?
It's plastic.
Plastic?
Yeah.
Now we're going to make this into a kind of a bowl. And we're going to dump it on here. I'm going to shape it a little bit here in a minute. Just want to make sure we get all the cream cheese. Okay.
Hey guys, I was licking the bowl. It is good.
Yeah, he liked the bowl. Okay, so now we're going to wrap it. This is what I do with parchment paper. I just kind of like put them in the corner, right? Try not to squeeze any of that in there. Just gonna just shape a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, it's a bowl. I just don't want it to be too much into the grooves. It's probably easier with saran wrap, but I don't buy saran wrap, so I'm just going to use what I have, which is parchment paper. That doesn't open. I'm going to put it in here and let it get a little solid. About an hour. Hour to 2 hours.
Okay, we got the presentation almost prepared. What are we missing?
Cheese ball.
How long did this marinate for?
I think it was about an hour and a half. I usually say 1 to 2 hours. And I would check to see what the, yeah, it's pretty solid filling. But you can kind of still move it because I'm kind of making a ball. Okay. Sometimes I have to do it like that.
Oh, that thing just came right off there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Parchment paper, man.
And then
It's
you
a little bit on your fingers, but let me see. That's spicy.
Okay, so my wife didn't want to try the super spicy cheese ball, so I'm going to do the reaction video here.
No, I've already tried it.
I know you.
It's spicy.
So what do I do? Do I do Triscuit or do I do...
Oh, whatever you want, babe.
I'll try one of these. So I spread that on there ever so thickly. That is good.
Well, yeah, it's got lots of stuff in there.
It's not too spicy for me, but for my
I'm
wife,
sure.
she would probably think it was a little spicy. I guess jalapenos have no spice. So y'all, check out this recipe, link down below, and y'all please take care. Y'all stay tuned.
Do you hear about?
Mm-hmm.
She's snoring. Just trying to get everything. Our dog is snoring over there.
And you have enough bouillon in there.
Huh?
You have enough bouillon in there.
Bouillon? Oh, those are my... I use them. I just, sometimes I need like 2 teaspoons and that one's empty, so I go to my next one.